when the first time installation is happening once pop up. So Adija, please share your screen. We'll be using it today. So Victor, you're with us, yeah? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you coding along or you're just watching? Is there light?
No, there's no light to.
Oh, okay. Okay, so just follow along, yeah?
All right, sir.
So, all right. So today we want to learn how to push our files to GitHub. So there are two things we're going to work with today. So Git is a tool used for version control. So version control helps you to track changes in whatsoever project you're working on. And it's very good, especially when you're working in a team. So basically, it's possible for six of us to be working on one project at the same time, and everybody has a local copy on their laptop. And all of us, whenever we make a change, we can actually push that change, and I'll be able to see it. I can see what Victor has done. I can now add Victor's code to my own. So Git is a tool that enables us to do that. So Git is used for version control. While GitHub, like I said, just see it as Google Drive for storing code. So GitHub is a platform where developers put their repositories. So whenever somebody says, "Oh, I push my code to my repository or to my repo," it means you pushed it to a folder on GitHub. You created a folder for your code on GitHub. So those are the two tools we need to learn, and that's what we're going to do today. So Aditya, please quickly open a tab on your browser. I want you to first of all create a GitHub account. So the very first thing to do as a newbie is to go to GitHub and create an account. So just say GitHub sign up or just GitHub, the first link that comes out. HUB. Yeah. Okay. So the first one, GitHub sign up. Yeah. The first link. All right. So let's create your name, your email, password, user, and quickly. All right. So continue. Okay. So please check your okay visual photo. Okay. So click on the right arrow. Yeah, when it's facing, when that finger is facing. No, the tracker should match where that finger is facing. So still turn it. Yeah.
This.
Yes. No, no. Take it back. Where it was before. No. No. No.
It's okay.
Yes. No,
No,
take it
back.
back. Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
All right. So sign with password cannot include your login. So I think in your password there's something like you're using parts from your email or something.
Huh?
It's complaining about your password. It's saying cannot be part of your login. So I can say either just use okay or type in another password. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's accurate. So just we're supposed to redirect you. No,
What's it saying again?
it still said that password cannot include your login. Check whether you received any email from them. Just check your email first. Maybe
They
they
should
have
send
this.
it. They should send it so that you can verify with maybe 4 digit code.
What did you say, Vladimir?
I'm not getting any email. Oh.
Yes, just check your mail. They used to like send somebody email. I reset my password now, so they had to send me email.
Okay. Adija, I say you've not received any email, Abby.
No.
All right. Like you checked your phone, Abby.
Yes, I've checked my phone. No email.
All right.
Why can't you use your username that is down, that 999 or something, that 999
That's what I use now. That's what I'm saying. I cannot use that is that what I use. Is that I cannot use my login, whatever. I don't like using all this long password.
Long, yeah, I guess. If it doesn't work again, just open a new tab and open it afresh.
But our home is actually new too. Can we share our home because there is no time?
No, yours and Victor's one can be new because you guys have done this step.
Is there this thing? I think this way is facing, right?
No,
No, no, no, no, no,
the
no.
front of opposite. The front should be the one facing that side.
No, it's okay, okay. No, back, back again. One more. That's
Yeah.
it. No,
No.
No.
to the front.
Yeah,
That's
Adija, yes.
no, no, no,
No.
no, no.
Two back. One more.
One more. Yeah, that's okay.
Yes.
They will send you to your mail.
So please check. They've sent something to your email. All right, so you can sign in now. Yeah, sign in.
Yeah, sign.
Okay. So
Thank you.
this is a GitHub dashboard. So you don't have any folder here. So folders here are called repository. So if you look at your left, you see create repository. That green button, please click on it. Create repository by your left hand side. There's a button there, green. By your left. Create repository by your left.
Screen by your left.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So give the repository name, give the folder a name. You can call it school project so that you know in that repository name, yeah, you can call
Okay,
it
this is the
school.
particular. But I've created our account, right? But this project now is the particular project we want to work on.
The
No, you
particular
want to
project you want
upload.
to push to upload exactly. So call it school project. All right. So there are two settings for every repository. It's either it's public or private. Public means anybody in the world can go there, copy your code, see it, touch it. Private means only people that you give access to can touch it. So for now,
Oh,
it's public because I'm not doing anything too much. So you can scroll down, then you see create repository. So you have created a repository. So just leave this page as it is. So we have created a folder. So just leave this page as it is. The next thing now is to set up Git on your laptop. So I want you to open a new tab. Open a new tab and say Git download. Git space download. You
I
want to
think
set
we
up.
have Git. I think everybody has Git.
Adisha, do you have Git?
I think so. I'm not sure.
We
Go to
downloaded
your
it
go to
that
your
first
command
day.
prompt. Go to your command prompt. Let me check whether Git is there. Just open CMD. No. Okay. Help me type Git.
Ju-
Yeah.
Just type GIT for me. GIT and then enter. All right. So you have Git on your laptop.
We have it. Mr. Is in Ifemi.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
first class. Yeah. So I did
Yes.
that. We have Git. We've set up GitHub. The next thing we need to do now is to push our code on our laptop to GitHub. How do we do that? So CD into your project, the school project that we're working on at the moment.
Okay. Are you talking to everybody or only her?
Everybody, please. First off, those are following Victor and Oladimeji. So you guys have to go to GitHub, create a new repo for where you want to store this new code. So Oladimeji, go to your GitHub, create a new repository, call it school project. Then once you do that, CD into your project locally on your PC.
So today there is left something. Okay, new repository. Okay, school project.
Call it school project, yes.
Description optional.
No need for description, just scroll down to create. So this just activate your virtual environment, CD into your project.
And my GitHub now, where will I click on?
So on
There
your
is
GitHub,
new. There is
there's
new
a
to your
thing
left.
called
CLI repository setup.
There is a
no.
new to your left at the top.
Look for a place where you see new.
New.
To your
Yeah,
left, green button like this.
Yeah, I've seen it.
We have
click on it.
click.
So Adijat, you're at the right place. Just wait, please. Let one of them join us. We'll move on.
Okay, I'm there.
Okay. So after pressing new, you've given the thing a name, school project, Abby.
In the repository name, right?
Yes, yes. Call it school project.
Is it capital letter or small letter?
Call it capital letter, school project.
Okay. The whole alphabet should be capital letter.
Yeah, call everything capital letter.
Will there be hyphen there or no hyphen?
It's your call. You can put hyphen, you can put leave space, anyhow you want it. But call it school
Okay.
project. Then once you're done with that, you just scroll down, press create. Then after that, CD into your project
Python.
locally.
Python.
So that means you're waiting for it to CD into your project locally.
So I should click on create, right?
Yeah, create. Yes.
Yes, I'm there already.
Okay. So you CD into your project, right?
Yes.
All right. So the very first instruction you need to do is to initialize Git. So you type Git init. So you and Adijat, please type git space init. Git space init. Short form of initialize init. Git init. init.
Okay.
init.
I've
Adijat,
pressed that. I've typed that.
init. No, Adijat, no, listen to me. Init.
In it. INIT.
Yeah. Okay. So what you've done is you have initialized what this means is you if you check your file explorer, you see a folder now called Git. So basically Git is now in your project. The next thing now is to tell Git what are the things you want to add. What are the things you want to add to that folder so that it can appear on GitHub. So type Git space add add Git add add
Okay.
Git space add space dot. So dot is
Okay.
to add it to your current directory. Git add dot. All right. Then if you want to see all the files you've added, type git space status, git space status.
Everything is there. Wow.
All right, so you can see it has created new files. Everything locally on your laptop, they have created. They are now on Git. The next thing is to commit these files. So you want to store them, like take a screenshot of them. So please go to type Git. Aditya, please raise your screen up. You know people are using it so like
The
not
Git.
Git space commit commit
Commit.
Git space.
Git space commit 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 space hyphen m
Okay.
dash m
Capital
space
letter M or small letter?
small letter m, then open a quote, open a
Okay.
quote, then type
Okay.
first space commit, close the quote. So if you look at how Adija is doing it, that's correct way. Git commit dash m first commit. Enter Adija. All right. So this is the error that I wanted everybody to see because this is the first time you're doing it. So for those of us that have used Git before, like Oladimiji and Victor, this error won't appear. But if this is your first time, so Git is telling us, I don't actually know you yet. You've not yet told me who is the username, what's your email, what's your username. So Adija, you see two commands in front of you. It says run git config dash dash global you at example.com. Can you see that stuff?
You not
I'm
say this.
having an
Yeah,
error.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
I'm having an error here.
Yeah, let me I'll come to you. So, Aditya, I want you to copy that git config, the first one. Copy that first one, the git config, blah, blah, blah. So, the first thing you need to set your email. This email will be using. So, copy it, then paste it in this current line. Then don't enter it. Change that you at example.com to your actual email. Change that you at example.com to your actual email. But that means your error is you're using single quotes instead of double quotes. If you're using single quotes, then it does not allow space between that first commit. But if you're using double quotes, you can put space between the commit messages. That's the error you have your that image.
I'm still in Git in it. What will I type after Git in it? The most similar
Do
command in it.
yeah, do git
Okay.
add.
The thing is not showing what the Adija is having on our screen, Sha.
Yeah,
I have
because
everything create mode. Everything create mode.
it's correct. So Aditya, press enter. Okay, then do the same thing for name. So Aditya, do the same thing for name. So copy that name stuff. That git config blah blah your name. All right, so copy it. Okay, then please paste it. Then your actual name, where your name is. So move it and put your actual name. Yeah,
The username, right?
yeah, your name. Yes. All right. Enter. So you're going to try that git commit message again. You can just copy it. That git commit dash m first commit. That stuff that brought out this error. Yeah. So you try that command again. So now he knows who is trying to commit these changes. He knows you. So copy it, paste it. All right. So now it has created those folders. So the next thing is to link it to the particular repository because it's possible for you to have thousands of folders, thousands of repositories. So you need to link them. So go to your browser, go to that GitHub when you created that repo.
Okay.
Go to when you created that repo.
School project, HTTP, GitHub, something.
Yeah. So I did just take me to where you created that repo. Yes. So if you look at all these commands, you see one that has git remote add origin, blah blah blah. Git remote add origin, that long one, the longest command there. Git remote add origin HTTPS. So copy that command. No,
No,
use
start to
that one. Copy
after.
the three. Yeah, you can use that one. It's the same link. Yeah. So git
Only the
remote.
git removed add Abby.
Yes, the end. Yes, yes. So what you are doing now is you are linking your local one to this particular repository. So go and paste it in your command prompt.
So we should do the same thing.
Yeah, do the same thing. So paste your command
I'm
prompt,
still in
enter.
Git in it, like I'm saying.
Yeah, Victor, no problem. I'm coming to you. I don't want the recording to be too long. So once I'm done with Adijat, I'll stop the recording and sort you guys out. Okay.
All right.
So
We should
enter Adijat. Yeah, enter. All right. So you have linked it now. So you need to just push it. So type git push, git space, push space, dash u, hyphen u, space, origin, space, master, enter.
Git push. Okay.
Oh yeah, so sign in with your browser, Adijat. So this is a one-time thing. So when you're done, it will never happen again. Yeah, so authorize. Scroll down, you see authorize. Yeah, authorize Git ecosystem. Yeah. So you can go back
Please
to your command
go
prompt now.
go back to your command, please.
All right. So Adijat, your code has been pushed successfully. So how do I know it has been pushed successfully? If you go online now and reload that your GitHub page, you see that everything on your laptop is now online.
everything under the school project, right?
Everything, yes, on the school project. So please go online, reload that GitHub. You just want to confirm. So go online, reload the repo place where you were. Yes,
Is
just
it
reload.
lit?
Yeah, reload it. Reload this page. So you can see 3 minutes ago. Scroll up so you can see all the folders and files out there. So you can see, I can see your Christ Embassy Media students. So what this means is me now on my laptop, I can put all these codes, and so exactly what you have on your laptop is exactly what I'll have on my laptop. So this is what you just did. So this is how it's pushed to Git. So your code is now successfully pushed to GitHub rather. So this is how to
Who
push code to GitHub.
who is the one watching? That one watching. What does that mean?
So she's the one that pushed the code. So automatically she's one person watching the code.
Okay. Please go back to your command.
So I'll stop the recording now. So video,
No.
we've already pushed now.
Okay,
Like,
okay, no worry.
So
yeah.
this how we push every other project.
Yes. So what I'll do is I'll send the step by step. Like all these things I said, I'll actually write it down for you. So you can be looking at it and be doing. And that's all.
Okay.
All right.
Adija, please scroll up.
So I'll stop recording now.
Adija,
This